truckers used to wrestle gear sticks for 11 hours straight. Eaton had a different idea. The UltraShift kept the manual gearbox, but gave it a brain. No clutch, no grinding, just smooth power. Today, we're breaking down the transmission that quietly changed trucking forever. The old way versus the new way. Imagine you are sitting in the cab of a massive rig. You have a heavy trailer behind you. Maybe you're hauling 60 tons of freight. In the old days, your left leg would be doing a workout every single time you hit a red light. You'd be stomping on a heavy clutch pedal, fighting to find the right gear in a 13 or 18-speed box. If you missed a shift on a hill, you were in big trouble. It was nonstop work, and it wore drivers down. Then came the Eaton UltraShift. It looked like the manual gearboxes everyone already trusted, but something was missing: the gear stick and the clutch pedal. Instead of you doing the work, the transmission started doing the thinking. It took the most trusted gearbox in the world, the Road Ranger, and added a computer to it. This wasn't just about making things easier. It was about making trucks smarter. Before this, an automatic truck was usually a slow, heavy thing that used too much fuel. The UltraShift changed that story. It kept the strength of a manual, but added the speed of a robot. What is an automated manual transmission? You might hear people call this an automatic, but that's not quite right. In your car, an automatic uses a torque converter. It's smooth, but it loses a lot of power through the fluid. The UltraShift is an automated manual transmission, or AMT. Think of it like this. Inside the metal case, it's almost the same as the manual RTLO 18-speed that truckers have used for decades. It has the same gears and the same mechanical clutch. The difference is who is pulling the levers. Instead of a long stick coming out of the floor, there's an XY shifter sitting on top of the box. This XY shifter is a set of electric motors that move the gears for you. When the computer decides it's time to shift, it tells these motors exactly where to go. It's faster, more precise, and it never gets tired. It's like having a master driver living inside your transmission who never misses a gear. The hardware, a manual with a brain. Let's look under the hood. The core of this system is the Electronic Control Unit, or ECU. This is the brain. It's mounted right on the side of the transmission. It's constantly listening to the engine, checking the road speed, and feeling how heavy the load is. It's also talking to the Electronic Clutch Actuator, or ECA. This is the part that replaced your left leg. It opens and closes the clutch with perfect timing. Because it's electric, it can slip the clutch just enough to get you moving smoothly, even if you're pulling 140,000 pounds. But here's a question for you. If the computer is doing all the work, do you still have control? The answer is yes. But there's a trick to it. If you try to fight the system by stomping on the gas too hard, you might confuse it. The UltraShift likes gentle signals. It wants to know what you're planning so it can help you get there. The Electronic Clutch Actuator, ECA. The ECA is the star of the show. In older automated trucks, the shifting could be jerky. You'd feel the truck lurch as it tried to find the next gear. The ECA fixed that. It provides much faster shifting and smoother engagement than the old systems. It's so smart that even at idle, it can fully engage the clutch to give you total control in tight spots. This is huge when you're trying to back a trailer into a narrow dock or move around a busy job site. You don't have to worry about the truck jumping forward. It just rolls exactly how you want it to. But there is a catch. Because it's still a mechanical clutch, it can get hot. If you're stuck in heavy traffic and you're barely moving, that clutch is opening and closing nonstop. If you aren't careful, you'll see a warning on your dash. I'll tell you exactly what that warning looks like and how to fix it in a few minutes. Driving the UltraShift. RND, L explained. Driving one of these is incredibly simple. You don't have a complicated pattern to memorize. Usually, you just have a small console or a handle with a few letters. R, N, D, and L. R is for reverse. On the 18-speed model, you actually get 4 different reverse gears. You can toggle through them with buttons to find the right speed for backing up. N is neutral, which you use for parking. D is for drive. This is where the magic happens. Once you click it into D, the truck handles all the upshifts and downshifts for you. It uses load-based shifting. This means if the truck is empty, it might skip gears to save fuel. If you're loaded to the limit, it will hit every gear to keep the momentum going. Then there's L for low. Most drivers ignore this button, but that's a mistake. L is your best friend on big hills. It forces the truck to downshift earlier and keeps the engine revs high. This gives you the most engine braking possible, so you don't overheat your wheel brakes. It's also great for roundabouts. If you click it into low as you approach, the truck will shift down perfectly so you're ready to accelerate as soon as it's clear. Smart features, gear logic, and smart coast. Eaton didn't just stop at shifting gears. They added features like gear logic. This technology is designed to make the truck easier to handle at low speeds. It makes sure the truck doesn't feel jumpy when you're trying to park or move slowly in a yard. Then there's smart coast. This is a fuel-saving trick. When you're on a flat road or a slight downhill and you lift your foot off the gas, the transmission can drop into neutral. This lets the engine drop to idle speed while the truck coasts. As soon as you touch the gas or the brake, it pops back into gear instantly. It sounds small, but over thousands of miles, it saves a massive amount of fuel. And if you're running empty one way and loaded the other, you can use dual mode. The truck will automatically switch between an economy shift pattern and a performance pattern based on how much weight is in the back. It's like having two different trucks in one, saving your boss money and your left leg. Why do fleets love the UltraShift? It's all about the bottom line. Compared to a traditional torque converter automatic, the UltraShift can cost about 50% less to own. It also uses 50% less fluid and doubles the time between oil changes. You only have to change the lubricant every 500,000 miles. It's also better on fuel. Because it's a manual gearbox at its heart, it doesn't lose power to heat and friction like an automatic does. It sends all that engine power directly to the wheels. This means the truck works less to move more. For the driver, it's a safety win. When you aren't fighting a gear stick, you can keep both hands on the wheel. You can focus on the traffic around you instead of what gear you need to be in next. It makes the job less stressful, which means you finish your day feeling a lot better. The dreaded CA code, clutch abuse. Now, let's talk about the one thing that can stop you in your tracks. Since there's no clutch pedal, you might think you can't burn out the clutch. You'd be wrong. If you stay in stop and start traffic and just creep along at low revs, the clutch is constantly slipping. If the clutch gets too hot, the gear display will flash a C, and then an A. That stands for clutch abuse. You'll also hear a warning tone. If you see this, you must stop the truck for at least 2 minutes to let things cool down. If you ignore it and keep going, the truck might refuse to shift, or it might force the engine to stay at idle until the clutch cools. The best way to avoid this is to give yourself space in traffic. Let the car in front get ahead so you can roll along at a steady pace without stopping and starting constantly. Your clutch and your boss will thank you for it. Maintenance and the Road Ranger network. One of the best parts about the UltraShift is that it's easy to fix. Because it's built on the manual Road Ranger platform, almost any heavy-duty truck shop knows how to work on the mechanical parts. You don't need a special automatic specialist for most things. Eaton also has a system called IntelliConnect. This is a remote diagnostic tool. If something goes wrong, the truck can send the fault codes to a technician in real time. They can tell you exactly what the problem is and how to fix it before you even get to the shop. This reduces unplanned downtime and gets you back on the road faster. The transmission is also backed by the Road Ranger network. This is a massive group of experts and service locations across the country. No matter where you are, if your UltraShift has a hiccup, there's someone nearby who can help. Is the manual gearbox dead? For a long time, truckers said they would never give up their manuals. They like the control. They like the feel. But the UltraShift proved that you can have that control without the physical pain. With the 13 or 18-speed versions, you get a massive range of gears to handle any load. You get the fuel savings of a manual and the ease of an automatic. You get smart features like Hill Start Aid that holds the truck on a grade so you don't roll back. Manuals aren't completely gone, but for most big fleets and long-haul drivers, the choice is clear. The UltraShift took the best of the old world and combined it with the best of the new. It made trucking safer, cheaper, and a lot easier on the driver's body.